Here are some famous quotes from Franklin D. Roosevelt, the President of the United States during World War II. Yesterday, December 7, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. We have nothing to fear but fear itself. Freedom means the supremacy of human rights everywhere. Our support goes to those who struggle to gain those rights and keep them. I ask that our people devote themselves in a continuance of prayer. As we rise to each new day, and again when each day is spent, let words of prayer be on our lips. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. We cannot be content, no matter how high that general standard of living may be, if some fraction of our people, whether it be 1/3 or 1/5 or 1/10, is ill-fed, ill-clothed, ill-housed, and insecure. We must especially beware of that small group of selfish men who would clip the wings of the American eagle in order to feather their own nests. We must build a new world, a far better world, one in which the eternal dignity of man is respected. I have seen war. I have seen war on land and sea. I have seen blood running from the wounded. I have seen the dead in the mud. I have seen cities destroyed. I have seen children starving. I have seen the agony of mothers and wives. I hate war. We must be the great arsenal of democracy. These quotes from Franklin D. Roosevelt during World War II reflect his dedication to social justice, economic equality, international cooperation, and his personal experiences with the devastating effects of war.